Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize YouTube TV on a smart TV app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize YouTube TV on your smart TV app, start by turning on your smart TV. Locate the YouTube TV app on your smart TV home screen. If you do not have the app, download it from your TV's app store. Open the YouTube TV app by selecting it with your remote. Once the app opens, you will see a welcome screen. Look for the prompt asking you to sign in or authorize your account. Select the option to sign in. You will now see a code displayed on the screen. Take note of this code, as you will need it for the next step. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to the website indicated on the screen, typically tv.youtube.com/start. You will be prompted to enter the code you noted earlier. Type the code in the designated field and click Next. Sign into your Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Once signed in, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to the Smart TV app. The app should now automatically refresh and log you in. If prompted, follow any additional on-screen instructions. You are now authorized to use YouTube TV on your Smart TV app. Explore your favorite shows and channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.